Hey, so as you can see, I have a cracked kitchen tile. I rent this place, and whenever I moved in, it was already cracked. There was already a crack like this. And this is where my sink is. So we stand here all the time, and now it's actually come up, and I actually started peeling this up myself. So we're gonna go ahead and fix it because the landlords won't. So we're just gonna do a quick easy fix. Again, this is just temporary and we rent. So this is not probably what you want to do for a permanent fix, but I just want to show you how I am going to temporarily fix it. Like I said, you see this crack? And then I'm gonna just start pulling these up here because we actually have spare tiles, or should I say the landlords had spare tiles in the basement, because I'm sure they were aware of this. Can you see that? So I'm gonna pull all this up. Make sure you stay, don't open that gate. Making sure my older one doesn't open the gate so my little one doesn't get over here. So look at this. Hi, try not to make too much of a mess. So, and all throughout, you see these fine cracks. And again, these were all fine cracks. They're just getting worse just because normal wear and tear walking over it. Like, it has never been damaged, you know. I'm assuming it's probably like this because it wasn't properly done in the first place. Hence why you hire professionals so this stuff doesn't happen. Yeah. So I haven't used anything, I guess because it was so bad. I haven't had to use anything. You can see I'm just literally picking it up. I haven't had to use anything. So these two are out now. And the grout has been just falling out just constantly. It's just crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna throw these out. And again, guys, I'm gonna show you the cheap and easy non-professional, non-permanent fix. All right. Alright, so this is what we use. It's only a couple dollars at the store. This E6000 again. Alright guys, as you just seen, we did a cheap and easy way, not professional at all. Alright, so it's been several hours and the epoxy has dried underneath and it doesn't move. I mean, it doesn't move. It's pretty good. We could get grout, but to do it the absolute cheapest way, just as a temporary fix again, we're not going to get it, and then we vacuumed around just to make sure there's no loose grout. And to be completely honest with you, I'm just going to get that rug and put it back over. So that is the super cheap, non-professional, easy temporary fix to fix a broken tile. Thanks for watching.